Etsy. Important Etsy news. Etsy is testing new photo size and shapes. Look here, guys. This is Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts, and my example. Now the first photo and videos are vertical rectangles, and in your Etsy shop there are square. For example, 2000, not 2000. Get ready for new season. Create vertical photo like this in search results on Etsy. Create vertical photos and for more views and sales. Why Etsy doing this? Now most views and purchase from smartphones. That's why Etsy doing this. Guys, prepare for autumn. Guys, if you need much more sales from Etsy, use my list 500 Pinterest group bots for Etsy sellers. In this list, how to join Pinterest group bots 2025. Guys, if you need help much more about Pinterest account, how to promote your Pinterest account, Etsy shop on Pinterest without paid ads, use my ebook How to Use Pinterest for Etsy. It's for beginners. It's about SEO on Pinterest, how to promote your Pinterest account, any Etsy shop or another website without paid ads. If you have any question about Pinterest, Etsy, write under this video. With you, Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Subscribe, guys, and write your comments, write your questions under this video.